Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we have an Incase iPhone X case. This is the front of the box, just the logo on the side, and some information about it on the back. To open it, you just push it from the top, it slides out from the bottom. So you can see it's got a unique design with a semi-open back. Just take a white iPhone X and slide it in. It's very easy. Open bottom, somewhat of a lip protection so it doesn't scratch up the screen. Easy to reach mute switch, very easy. There's the volume up and down, easy to press, and the power button right here. Some logo on the side, and the design on the back. It also protects the camera. Right, now we got the black one. Let's see how this looks. Slide it in the same way. Very nice. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.